My name is Altın Jaksembina. Today we will talk about digital technologies. First of all, what is digital technology? Digital technology, it is electronic tool, system, device, resource that generate, store or process data. Well, now an example, it is social media, online games, multimedia and mobile phones. Digital learning is any type of learning that uses technology. Digital technology enables immense amounts of information to be compressed on small storage devices that can be easily preserved and transported. Digitization also quickens data transmission speeds. Digital technology has transformed how people communicate, learn, and work. Today, digital doesn't mean the application of technology. It means user centricity. It means adding value to the customer journey. It means prototyping products that help address friction in the customer journey and using the right technology to scale what works. And the most important thing to be successful is to plan your day, week, year, and your life. Everyone should plan their life. It is very useful not only for teachers, but also for learners. To plan, you need a diary that you need to take with you. But today, I will tell you about Trello board. It will help your life make easier. What is Trello? Trello is a collaboration tool that organizes your projects into boards. In one glance, Trello tells you what's being worked on, who is working on what, and where something is in a process. Imagine a whiteboard filled with lists of sticky notes, with each note as a task for you and your team. Now imagine that each of those sticky notes has photos, attachments from other data sources like Bitbucket and Salesforce, documents, and a place to comment and collaborate with your teammates. Now imagine that you can take that whiteboard anywhere and you go on your smartphone. And they can access it from any computer through the web. That's Trello. So we know what is Trello, but we don't know how to use this. First of all, how to use Trello. First, it is create a new board. But how to create new board? Under personal boards, click the box that says create a new board. Give the board a title. You can also choose a background, color or pattern here, which you can change later. If you have multiple teams, select which team you want to give access to the board. And the next one is create your lists. But how to create your lists? Open the board where you want to create a new list. To the right of your list or under the name of the board, if you have no lists yet, click Add a list. Give your list a name and click Add list. At the bottom of your list, you will now have a button to add cards. Add cards to your list. At the bottom of your list, click Add a card. Enter a title for the card. Click Add cards. Next one is give them due dates. Click on the card you want to add a due date to. On the right side of the card, click Due Date. Select a due date from the calendar to add the time and click Save. Next one is add labels to your cards. Click on the card you want to add a label to. On the right-hand side, click Labels. Select a label from your list of available labels. By default, this will include several pre-chosen colors. Click the edit icon next to a label to add a title if you prefer. Next one, view tasks on your calendar. On the far right side of the screen under the profile icon, click Show Menu. Click Power Up, search for Calendar and add the Calendar Power Up from Trello. So that's it. Thank you for your attention. I hope you will use and enjoy the Trello.